Okay, this is San Diego off the 76, Steve Andrna, and this is the seam that I believe is not working, and there's absolutely nothing in between the seam. As you can see, there's nothing holding the seam together. So, and you can see it right there. It looks pretty bad from the front. You can see it. We don't do that sort of work. What the hell is that? So, this is Steve Andrna. Everything else looks fine. This looks like a 48-ounce fescue. I'm gonna just double check. That's got to be it, though. I mean, you can see that pretty clearly. Not impressive. Yeah, I think that's the only one.